Hello, my students. How are you? Okay, today is Thursday, 3rd July 2020. Topic, you have a job. Performance, write a paragraph. Okay, when you finish that, please, you continue with the activity. Okay, for today is homework, okay? For this homework, you have 3 steps. 1, 2nd, and 3rd. First, imagine that you have a job. You have any job, okay? And please draw you in your job, working in your job. Okay, and second, answer this question. What do you do? For example, I give you an example about me. What do you do? I am a teacher. Is easy or difficult? Sometimes it's difficult. What place is it in the school? What do you need to do this job? I need a teacher degree. I need to love the children. I need English book. I need a market. I need a notebook. I need computer, and okay, a lot of things I need. Okay, this is an example. What do you wear at work? I wear at work uniform. I wear a uniform. Okay, and this is example for me. But if you have other job, for example, in this dog walker, for example, what do you do? I am a dog walker. It is easy or difficult. Sometimes easy because we have a good dog, but sometimes it's difficult. What place is it in the street, in the city, on town, in the street? What do you need to do this job? You need the dogs, of course, and treats, okay, and leash. And what do you wear at work? No, normal pants and sneakers. Okay, this is the activity. This is the idea that you need to do. Okay, and when you finish to answer these questions, according with your job, that job that you imagine, you write a paragraph. You only join the ideas. Okay? Okay, in Spanish is better. If you don't understand, so I speak with you in Spanish. La actividad del día de hoy es que tú te imagines que tienes un trabajo y me haces un dibujo donde estés tú con tu trabajo. Respondes estas preguntas. ¿Qué hace usted? ¿Esto es fácil o difícil? ¿En qué lugar es? ¿Qué necesita usted para su trabajo? ¿Y cómo viste? ¿Qué necesita el vestir? In this case, en mi caso fue el uniforme, okay? And when you answer that question, you write a paragraph. Unes todas las respuestas, como lo tenemos en la página 41, y haces tu párrafo, okay? Take a picture, le tomas una foto and submit. Okay, my student, this is the activity for you. Don't forget, give me this homework on time. No olviden enviarla a tiempo por el botón de tareas. Okay? Bye. See you.